Welcome back, family. In today's video, I have a company positioned in a high growth sector to share with you that is gaining investor interest. And guys, if you're searching for one of the more compelling early stage plays in the market today, you need to watch this video. Before I begin, do me a favor, be sure to smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future videos. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice videos, only for entertainment purposes. Now let's get right into it, guys. So the company I'm referring to is Rein Therapeutics Inc. and you can find this company trading on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol RNTX. Before I break down why I think this company could be on the verge of a potential breakout, do yourself a favor, pause this video and add this one to your watch list. Rein Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotech company pioneering first-in-class multi-pathway therapies in orphan, pulmonary, and fibrosis indications. Now here's a look at the company's pipeline, and guys, they have a very impressive pipeline. They first have LTI-03, which is for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. This is on phase 2 right now. And then they also have LTI-01, which is for the treatment of loculated pleural effusions, and that is phase 2B ready. They also have LTI-05, which is for cystic fibrosis, and then they also have other programs. So a very robust pipeline for treating various types of diseases. Now, for the people that do not know, idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis is a deadly diagnosis. Idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, or IPF for short, is a fatal age-related disease characterized by progressive scarring in the lungs. Furthermore, approximately 100,000 patients in the US alone are living with IPF each year, and more than 250,000 Americans live with some sort of pulmonary fibrosis. So this company is targeting a major health crisis. Now here's a look at the sizable global opportunity. So there are currently only 2 drugs which are approved for IPF as of 2025. The global leader Ofev did more than $3.6 billion in sales for 2023. The estimated global market for IPF alone is projected to be $11.7 billion. Other PF and ILDs represent upside for a successful IPF drug. The mechanisms of LTI-03 could potentially address other fibrosis conditions, such as those associated with heart, kidneys, liver, skin, or eyes. Now, they also have LTI-01, which is the first drug developed for loculated pleural effusions. And currently, guys, there are no approved drug treatments for loculated pleural effusions. Now, take a look at these images, guys. As you can see, these are the healthy lungs on the left side, and then on the right side, this is the lungs with the loculated pleural effusions. There's fibrotic scar tissue, which blocks drainage. It is a very deadly disease, in my opinion, but there's also a sizable US and EU commercial opportunity with potential upside for this particular treatment. So the addressable market is massive for LTI-01. As you can see, the estimated US plus EU is $400 million for the market, and then there's upside potential on top of that. Now, guys, let's go over the major catalyst this company just dropped. So on May 15th, 2025, Rein Therapeutics reported its first quarter 2025 financial results and provided a business update. Now, here's a look at some of their clinical updates. So in May 2025, the company initiated the RENEW phase 2 trial of LTI-03 in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis with screening and recruitment of patients underway. The RENEW trial is a multi-center randomized double-blind placebo-controlled study evaluating the safety, tolerability, and efficacy of LTI-03 in patients with IPF. Rein Therapeutics was also granted 2 patents covering the novel formulation and administration methods of dry powder LTI-03 for the treatment of respiratory diseases. So overall, guys, they have been making a ton of progress so far. Now, in terms of the first quarter 2025 financial results, in terms of cash position, their cash and cash equivalents as of March 31st, 2025 were $7.4 million compared to $12.9 million as of December 31st, 2024. In terms of research and development expenses, R&D expenses for the quarter ending on March 31st, 2025 were $3.1 million compared to $3.5 million for the quarter ending on March 31st, 2024. And then their G&A expenses for the quarter ending on March 31st, 2025 were $2.5 million compared to $3.7 million for the quarter ending on March 31st, 2024. In terms of net loss, the net loss for the quarter ending on March 31st, 2025 was $5.5 million compared to $7.1 million for the quarter ending on March 31st, 2024. Overall, guys, I do think these are fantastic numbers that the company just reported, and it really shows that they are focused on growing this company very fast. Now let's turn our attention to the stock chart. The stock is picking up steam this past month, and it is still trading at a discount when compared to its 52-week high, so there might be a potential opportunity here. I do think as the company continues to push the boundaries, there could be a lot more room for the stock to move. So if you haven't done so already, guys, add Rein Therapeutics Inc. to your watch list immediately. Once again, here is the ticker symbol. I will have some links in the video description if you want to learn more about this exciting opportunity. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future videos. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice videos, only for entertainment purposes.